Hello guys and welcome back to our channel. Today I will show you how to add payment gateways in Shopify. So in order to do this, first of all, navigate to admin.shopify.com, log in using your user credentials and you'll be on your Shopify's dashboard. Here, you're going to simply click on settings icon at the bottom left of the screen. Now choose payments from these options and here under payment section, you will see different options. Shopify payments for credit debit card payments, third-party providers like PayPal, Stripe and other gateways. Now to use Shopify payments, simply click Activate Shopify Payments button. So if you'll have added a payment provider, you will see that button. Just click there and to add a third-party payment gateway, click Choose a Provider button, then select your desired provider. For example, I will choose Stripe. Now, if I choose Stripe, it will take me to stripe.com's page where I will have to enter my Stripe's email address and click on Submit. And after this, I would have successfully added my Stripe with my Shopify and added it as a payment method. Now, if you choose Shopify payments, you'll have to select your country, then fill out the necessary details like business address, banking information, and tax details. Click Complete Account Setup once finished. Now, you can also choose to enable additional settings like manual payments. You can set payment authorization preferences and enable fraud prevention tools for extra security. Once the setup is complete, run a test order to ensure that the payment gateway is working properly. And now your Shopify store is ready to process payments securely and smoothly. So that's the simple way through which you can add payment method to your Shopify. If you found this guide helpful, please don't forget to give it a thumbs up and thanks for watching.